and welcome to KCT. I am the one and only Witch Properstar, and today we are going to talk about the Mysterious Studios Dashboard Smart Screen. Let's plug it in. If you don't know how to do it, check out my hardware video where I cover everything about the controllers.
The device is started. The initialization is completed and the game state is entered.
As you can see in the beginning, we have an output. The players need to find where to set the pointers in order to solve the puzzle. For the needs of the video, I've set them all to 40.
The game enters reset mode.
You can reset the pointers as many times as you wish via the set button. You can also change the sounds and the outputs via the software. If you don't know how to do it, check out my software video where I cover everything about it. If you have any further questions, don't hesitate to contact us here. You can find on our site custom builds, automations, mechanisms and equipment for your escape rooms, or place your custom order. We have our base in Greece, but we ship worldwide. Thank you so much for watching, subscribe for more demonstration and tutorial videos, and I'll see you next time.